In a major development, India's first indigenously built advanced towed artillery gun system has cleared all developmental tests successfully, and it will soon be inducted in the Indian Army. The 155mm and 52 caliber howitzer is the world's longest range system in its class, that can be deployed in less than 3 minutes, and its 6-round automated magazine is capable of firing in 30 seconds. India's Defence Acquisition Council has already approved the procurement of 150 ATAGS for the Indian Army at an estimated cost of around $490 million, which will supplement the indigenously built 155mm 45 caliber Dhanush artillery system, which has already been inducted by the Indian Army in April this year. The Indian Navy is awaiting report of the Court of Inquiry instituted to investigate the cause of last week's crash of Mig-29K fighter jet, which will establish the real cause of the failure of both the engines, and whether both the engines had suffered a bird hit. The Controller and Auditor General of India had previously observed that the Mig-29K fighter jets had faced operational deficiencies in the past, due to defects in engines, airframe and fly-by-wire system. India had ordered 45 Mig-29K fighter jets from Russia, but currently operates less than 24, while the rest are kept as reserves and other forms. According to latest media reports, the Defence Ministry is set to clear the acquisition of 2 Airbus A330 platforms next week, and it is expected to be inducted into service by 2025. Officials have said that the Air Force is not impressed with the loitering time of the Falcons, as it is unable to stay airborne long enough for meeting operational requirements. The DRDO will be overseeing the structural modifications and adaptations on the aircraft, and the mounted electronically scanned array radar system will give a 360-degree radar coverage. According to latest media reports, Pakistan has started the deployment of the Chinese JY-27A long-range radar system, which has the ability to detect low observable or stealth aircraft including the Rafale fighter jets at long ranges of 500 kilometers. The JY-27A is also resistant to jamming, and also provides situational awareness of incoming ballistic systems. Given the long-range detection capabilities of the radar system, Pakistan could also procure 4 HQ-9 long-range surface-to-air defense systems from China. Nancy Jackson, the Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Afghanistan Affairs, has said that the United States welcomes India's substantial investment in and assistance to Afghanistan. India has completed 400 social infrastructure projects, and another 150 projects are currently ongoing, which are spread across 34 provinces of Afghanistan, in diverse fields of development, including education, healthcare, infrastructure, administrative capacity, agriculture and sports.